Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.4% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.3% during the session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the oil rise 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
China's imports from Saudi Arabia fell 21% in May from a year earlier, but retained their top ranking among suppliers for the 9th month in a row. U.S. private equity firm Clayton, Dubilier & Rice is set to push ahead with its pursuit of British supermarket chain Morrisons, despite its initial offer being rejected. Emerging market currencies hit by a hawkish Federal Reserve could soon regain their strength against the dollar if developing central banks outpace their U.S. counterpart in policy tightening.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. 6-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 1:30 GMT. The Austrian industrial production at 700 GMT. Germany's German BUBA monthly report will be released at 10:00 GMT. The Belgian Consumer Confidence Index at 900 GMT. The U.S. Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.